And it's an absolutely extraordinary honor to be here and to have had an audience with His Holiness. Desmond Tutu and His Holiness have such a shared set of values around our shared humanity, around the importance of compassion. And so to be here in the Year of Compassion is incredibly meaningful for us at the Foundation as we try to continue the work of Desmond Tutu and people such as His Holiness who have really stood up for justice and compassion and our shared humanity around the world. And so it's deeply, deeply meaningful for us to be here, to have come from South Africa, to build this real sense of connectedness between our peoples and between the mission and the values of Desmond Tutu and His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Did you have any conversation inside?
Just a short one, thanking His Holiness for the friendship he had with Desmond Tutu and this shared value of compassion and a sense of our interconnected humanity. It was deeply, deeply powerful on a personal level, but also for the work that we're doing at the Desmond Tutu Legacy Foundation, where we're really trying to sustain the idea of Ubuntu, which is our shared humanity, and a sense of compassion as underpinning justice for all peoples around the world.
Can you please share a bit about the relation between His Holiness and Desmond Tutu?
The two great spiritual icons have had a long friendship. Desmond Tutu passed away at the end of 2021, but before that they shared many occasions of connectedness. Archbishop Desmond Tutu had a long visit here in Dharamsala at one point, and together they developed the Book of Joy, which really is a profound offering to the world of how one finds joy in the midst of suffering and how joy is an act of resistance against despair in times of difficulty. And they really had mutual love and admiration, and as many people said, a very cheeky and mischievous relationship and friendship.
Any message to Tibetans?
I think we want all peoples around the world to recognize our interconnected humanity. And for us as South Africans, that's an incredibly important perspective coming from our own history of oppression and our own history of injustice, that we seek freedom and compassion and a shared humanity for all peoples around the world, including the people of Tibet.